Pulled pork sliders, tiny sandwiches, huge flavor. These little bites pack a punch, combining smoky, savory pork with soft, pillowy buns. Each slider is a perfect balance of textures and tastes, making them irresistible to anyone who tries them. They're the life of any party, easy to eat, and perfect for sharing. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue, a game night, or a family get-together, pulled pork sliders always steal the show. Their small size means you can enjoy more than one, and they're just as fun to make as they are to eat. The secret? Pork cooked until it's so tender you can shred it with just 2 forks. Slow cooked for hours, the meat becomes juicy and flavorful, soaking up all those delicious spices and seasonings. It's a process that fills your kitchen with mouthwatering aromas and builds anticipation for that first bite. Mix that juicy meat with tangy barbecue sauce, pile it onto a soft bun, and you've got a bite-sized treat everyone loves. The sauce adds a sweet and smoky kick, while the bun holds everything together, making each slider a perfect handheld snack. No fancy cutlery needed, just grab, eat, and enjoy. It's all about getting a little messy and savoring every bite. Sliders are meant to be fun, casual, and totally delicious, making them a hit with kids and adults alike. These sliders bring people together, spark smiles, and guarantee a good time. There's something special about sharing food that's made to be enjoyed with your hands, surrounded by friends and laughter. Pulled pork sliders are more than just food. They're a reason to celebrate. Ready to make the ultimate pulled pork sliders? Let's dive in. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a kitchen newbie, you'll find this recipe simple, satisfying, and sure to impress your guests. We'll go step by step, from picking the pork to assembling the perfect slider. Aprons on, let's get started. Get ready to discover the secrets behind these crowd-pleasing favorites and make your next gathering unforgettable. The magic of pulled pork is all about patience. It's a journey that starts with a humble cut of meat and ends with a dish that brings everyone together. There's something almost meditative about the process, as you set everything up and let time do its work. Slow cooking transforms a simple cut into something extraordinary. As you gently lower the pork shoulder into the slow cooker, you're setting the stage for a transformation that's nothing short of magical. The lid closes, and the anticipation begins. As it cooks, your kitchen fills with an irresistible barbecue aroma that seems to wrap around you like a warm hug. The scent drifts through the house, drawing curious noses and hungry smiles from every room. The long, gentle heat works its magic, slowly breaking down the meat until it's melt in your mouth tender. You can almost see the fibers relaxing, becoming softer and juicier with every passing hour. Each strand soaks up the rich, smoky flavors of the sauce, absorbing every bit of that tangy, sweet, and savory goodness. It's a flavor explosion in every bite, and the sauce clings to the pork like a delicious secret. This isn't just cooking. It's an experience that rewards you with every bite. The wait, the build-up, and the first taste all come together to create a meal that's as much about the journey as the destination. The anticipation, the smell, the first taste. It's all part of the adventure. Each moment adds to the story, making the final dish even more satisfying. Take your time, enjoy the process, and get ready for barbecue bliss. Let yourself relax, knowing that something wonderful is happening in your kitchen, even if you can't see it yet. Slow and steady truly wins the race. Like the tortoise, you'll find that patience pays off in the most delicious way possible. Trust me, it's worth every minute. When you finally lift the lid and serve that first forkful, you'll know that every second spent waiting was a step toward barbecue perfection. The star of the show? Pork shoulder, sometimes called pork butt or Boston butt. It's got the right balance of fat and connective tissue, which melts during slow cooking for juicy, tender meat. Look for a well-marbled piece, around 2 kilograms. Bone-in adds flavor, boneless is easier. Either works. Pat it dry so the spice rub sticks. Choosing the right cut is the foundation of great pulled pork. Make this choice, and you're halfway to slider glory. Let's get that pork ready for its flavor transformation. Time to dress up our pork with a homemade spice rub. Mix brown sugar, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne or chili, salt, and black pepper. This blend creates a sweet, smoky crust and infuses the meat with bold flavor. Rub it generously all over the pork. Don't miss a spot. Let it sit for an hour to soak in the spices. The rub is what takes your pulled pork from good to unforgettable. You can tweak the heat to your liking. Now our pork is ready for its slow-cooked journey. Simple ingredients, big impact. Let's get cooking. Start by placing a generous layer of chopped onions in the bottom of your slow cooker. These onions will not only add a subtle sweetness to the pork as it cooks, but they'll also help keep the meat moist and flavorful throughout the long, slow process. Take a moment to spread them out evenly, making sure every bite will benefit from their mellow flavor. Next, gently set your pork roast right on top of the onions. Choose a cut with some marbling, like pork shoulder or butt, for the juiciest results. The fat will slowly render, basting the meat as it cooks, and the onions below will soak up all those savory juices. Now pour in a cup of your chosen liquid, apple juice for a touch of sweetness, beer for depth, cola for a hint of caramel, or stock for a classic savory base. Pour it around the sides, not directly over the meat, so you don't wash away any seasoning or rub you might have added. Place the lid on your slow cooker, locking in all that moisture and flavor. Set it to cook on low for 8 to 10 hours. This long, gentle heat is the secret to transforming a tough cut of pork into something incredibly tender and juicy. If you prefer, you can use a Dutch oven instead. Simply cover and bake at 150 degrees Celsius for 6 to 8 hours. Either way, patience is key. Don't rush this step. As the hours pass, your kitchen will fill with the mouth-watering aroma of slow-cooked pork and sweet onions. The anticipation builds as the meat becomes so tender it practically falls apart at the touch of a fork. When the pork is done, carefully lift it out and let it rest for a few minutes. This helps the juices redistribute, making every bite moist and flavorful. Now comes the fun part, shredding. Use 2 forks to pull the pork apart. It should shred effortlessly, turning into tender, juicy strands perfect for piling high on a bun. Before you know it, you'll have a mountain of succulent, flavor-packed pulled pork, glistening with juices and ready to be devoured. The wait is finally over. This is the moment you've been dreaming about since you started. All your patience is about to be rewarded. Every bite is packed with deep, rich flavor and melt-in-your-mouth tenderness. You'll taste the care and time that went into every step. Ready to take it to the next level? Let's build those sliders. Pile the pork high, add your favorite toppings, and get creative. You've just created barbecue magic, and now it's time to share and celebrate with friends and family. Now for the fun part, building your sliders. Choose soft, slightly sweet buns like brioche or Hawaiian rolls. Toast them lightly for extra flavor. Mix your pulled pork with just enough barbecue sauce to coat. Top with creamy coleslaw for crunch and freshness. Add pickles or pickled onions for a tangy kick. Pile the pork high, add your toppings, and crown with the top bun. Each slider is a perfect balance of savory, sweet, and tangy. Make a platter. They'll disappear fast. This is slider perfection. A tray of pulled pork sliders is the ultimate party food. Easy, delicious, and made for sharing. Set up a slider station with buns, pork, slaw, pickles, and toppings so everyone can build their own. It's interactive, fun, and gets everyone talking. These sliders capture the spirit of barbecue, slow-cooked meat, bold flavors, and good company. Whether you're a barbecue pro or a first-timer, you'll impress your guests. Pulled pork sliders turn any gathering into a celebration. Try them at your next event. You'll be the kitchen hero. Here's to great food and even better memories.